మాతో చెప్పరా
అమ్మే ఎవరితో ఫోటో చెప్పండి
వినిపిస్తుందా అక్షయ వాళ్ళ బ్రదర్ ని మాట్లాడుకో లేగా
ఇంట్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ చెప్తున్నారు
మనకి వేరే ఫోటో ఏదో వచ్చింది కదరా
Yo guys. రైటింగ్ ఏంటి రైటింగ్ ఏంటంటున్నాను చేతి మీద అక్కపల్లి పెట్టేస్తున్నారు ఇంక నీకు పెట్టినా ఇప్పుడు మేడం కన్నా అర్థం అవుతాయి అప్పుడు తీసుకోమంటారా
హలో మాకు ఫస్ట్ మేడం చేత మాట్లాడొచ్చా
స్టార్ట్ అయితే అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తారా? అవసరం లేదు. నా సెల్ పక్కన ఉన్న వాళ్ళు సునీత మేడం
Okay. Good morning, children. Good morning. Numbers. So same topic, but differently I will explain about the numbers. Chapter is same only. It has the depth of the subject matter. That's the reason I'm taking time to explain that briefly. It is very useful to in our next classes. If you not learn that the perfectly, you will get confused in our next classes. Okay, children? Now, numbers. I told you what are numbers, how you are writing the numbers, what are digits, how many digits are there, and single digit numbers, 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers, respected their places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and lakh. Yesterday, I explained you number names of 5-digit numbers. That's mean 10,000 places. And I gave you some homework also. And I explained that number names, places, and place numbers, number names on the abacus. Everyone, I hope that everyone listened to the chapter. Mahita, did you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Akshay? Akshay? Akshay, tell me your doubt. Unmute your voice and tell me the answer. Why you raise your hand? What is your doubt?
Any ma'am?
Did you have any doubt, Akshay?
No, madam.
Why you keep that the symbol, hand symbol there? Remove that, Nana. If you are keeping like that, I will get the confused. Okay, now only started. And one more thing, some children are not keeping their respected what the in the group you have the number like that Venkat Nagar, some member and your name. Somebody are not keep like that. Once check your everyone have the numbers in your group, respected groups. Check your names and give that the number only. Here suppose Venkat Nagar 4031 Akshay. Then I will identify that he is Venkat Nagar. And everyone. Naresh. Rudranesh, you not change your name. Just click on the participant participants, where is your name? Then you will get the rename. Then you rename that whatever you have that like that. Hasina Akram, did you have any doubt? In previous classes, did you miss anything? Why you raise your hand? Hasina Akram. Remove the symbol. Suhas, did you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Don't keep the hand unnecessarily, okay? Mahidar, keep in mute. Okay, children, once listen that everyone, somebody will have only their personal names here. Change your names. Example, Chaturya Mallila. She is not changed their name. And Devi, somebody are not changed their names. Please change your names. Okay, children. Everyone got that names in your groups, number, branch, name and number, your name shortcut like that. Mahidar, do not change your name. After this class and now you have to change your name. Ask your parent to change your name. Okay, children, Rudranush, somebody are there, so many are there. Okay, now come to the topic. Numbers. Numbers. You are writing numbers using digits. That digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are using these digits to write the number names. When you are using that two digits, it is a 2-digit number. 3 digits, 3-digit number. 4 digits, it has the number of 4 digits, it has 4-digit number. 5 digits, 5-digit number. 6 digits, 6-digit number. 1 digit means it has only one place. ONES ones, and 2-digit number it has 2 places, ones and tens, TENS tens. 3-digit numbers it has 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, THOUSANDS thousands, and 4-digit number it has Azgan. Did you have any doubt? Unmute your voice and tell me. Azgan. Okay. 5-digit numbers, it has 5 places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 6-digit numbers, it has 6 places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. So 6-digit number highest place is lakh. Yesterday I explained the number names and numbers and places respected given numbers, and I explained that the number names are abacus also. Now I will give you 6-digit numbers. Now 6-digit means it is highest place is lakh only, lakhs. Okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 and lakh. L-A-K-H, lakh, L, shortcut L only. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 10,000 TPH and lakh. Now I'm giving the beads on the rods. Okay, children. Now count them. Ones place. Ones place. Ones place. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3. Tens place. How many beads are there? 2. 1 and 2. 100 place. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1000 place. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10,000. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you got the digits respected their places. 9 lakhs place, 7 in 10,000 place, 5 in 1000 place, 4 in 100 place, 2 in 10 place, 3 in 1 place. Okay? Now, yesterday what I told you, 1000 and 10,000 togetherly, how to read that number? 1000 and 10,000. So, lakh is separated. Lakh is separated. 1000 and 10,000 reading separately. And 100 only reading separately. 23. One sentence. Read separately. Okay now? Now, I'm writing the number name. So, the given number is, first I'm writing the number. What is the number? 9 lakh. 9 lakh 75,423. Siddhi, why you raise your hand? Mute your voice and tell me. Unmute your voice.
Raise the hand means you only tell madam.
What, Nana?
The answer of this number, ma'am.
Okay, tell me answer of that number.
9,75,423.
Very good. 9,75,423. Very good boy. Now I'm writing on the board. Everyone check your answer. Okay? So the number name is the number name is 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs 75,000 423. Last. The last two digits together we have to read and write. Last two digits are combinedly 23. So and 23. It is the chance to learn the math fundamentals, children. So don't waste your time. It is the time to write that the number names and learn that the fundamentals of numbers. Okay, children? Akshay, did you have any doubt? Ashwini? Unmute your voice and tell me. Tell me, Nana. Akshay.
Madam, the abacus process is wrong.
Nana, it is, I'm telling about that this is called the abacus, skip abacus only. For representing that the places, not I'm telling that on the kit. It is only representation. Okay? It is easy to understand that the places. That's the reason we are telling in a textbook process like this. It is not the abacus. It is the process to tell that the places.
Okay, madam.
Okay, it is easy way to children. You all are children. When you observe this in different colors,
Okay, madam.
when you are see that on the board, it is easy to fix in your mind. That's the reason we are taking this one. Okay, children.
Thank you, madam.
If I have the abacus, it is easy to move that the upper bits and lower bits. But it is not possible to move here. It is the board, not a kit. Okay, children. The next one, Ashwini, tell me your doubt. What, Nana? Ashwini, did you have any doubt? Say sound loudly, Nana. Ashwini. Akshay, now.
Madam.
Okay. You don't have any doubt? Ashwini. Okay. Okay, children. Number name 9,75,433. 23. This is the number name of the given number. Now we have to mention the places of the given number. Mention their places. Now I am giving their places. Okay? Here, 3 is in 1's place. 2 is in 10's place. 4 in 100 place. 5,000 place. 7, 10,000 place. 9 lakhs. First read that respected places. 9 lakh 75,423. Okay, now I'm writing here. This is a 6-digit number. It has 6 digits, 6 places. The unit. Now I am writing this expanded form. This expanded form. I am writing here. What is the number? 9,75,423. This is the number. That is the number. I am writing here the expanded form. Okay? Expanded form. Children, look at this. Here 3 is in ones place. 3 is in ones place. Three into 1. Okay? 2 is in tens place. 2 into 10. 4 is in 100 place. 4 is in 100 place. 4 into 100. 5 is in 1000 place. 5 is in 1000 place. I am writing again, Anna. It is not clear. Again, look at this. Look at this. 3 is in ones place. That means 3 into 1. 2 is in tens place. 2 into 10. 4. It is in 100 place. 4 into 100. 5. It is in 1000 place. 5 into 1000. 7. It is in 10,000 place. It is in 10,000 place. So 7 into 10,000. Okay? And 9. 9. It is in lakhs place. 9 into 1 lakh. Then once check this everyone. 3 into 1, 3. 2 into 10, 20. 4 into 100, 400. 5 into 1000, 5,000. 7 into 10,000, 70,000. 9 into lakh, 9 lakhs. So, the given number digits respected place values. Which place is there? That place digit and that place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. Then you have to add this all 3. 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2. 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 0, 4. And 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 0, 5. And 7 plus 0, 7. And 9. Once check there. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. Now you got that number. What the number is given there? Now you got that? the given number respected digits. Parthavi. Unmute your voice and tell me the doubt, Nana. What is your doubt? What is your doubt? Parthavi, did you have any doubt? Okay, once again, I'm telling that today I will tell this one only. Okay? Whatever the time you have to take, I'm explaining that topic only fully. Okay? Now here, Rudranush, did you have any doubt? Unmute your voice and tell me.
Abacus, that one in numbers lesson not there now, that one.
What, Nana?
In numbers lesson that abacus not there now.
Abacus, not abacus, Nana. That is the model of that. Okay? Like a places. I'm taking that the places only. Okay, children? Have to observe that only, not a abacus, this one. This is the skip abacus. Only representation. For the representation, I'm using that. When it is clearly or observe that the places in different lines, it is easy to keep in your mind. It is the way. Okay? Whatever you are listening, it is some only you will get. Whatever is seeing on the board. When I am telling that only you are seeing on the board at a time, then you will get that subject very clearly. And Mrudula, mute your voice and tell me the answer. Mrudula. Mrudula, tell me, what is your question? So, okay, now I'm going to next. Who's this number? 242385. Who's that? Mute your voice and tell me the question. Tell me, Nana. What is it?
Ma'am, sign movement.
Okay, no doubt. Srimayi, nothing. Mrudula, Srimayi.
Hello, madam. Ma'am, మీరు ల్యాబ్
What, Anna?
Madam,
Srimayi.
you didn't wrote lakh, madam.
Here I wrote 9 lakhs.
9 lakhs. There, madam. 75,423 you wrote, no, madam.
Okay, forget there. Okay. Okay, na? So, here I'm writing here I told addition method how you are getting their expected places. Now I'm writing here expanded form. Okay, children? Expanded Now writing that 9 lakhs place. So 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs plus highest place onwards you have to start. After this expanded form, I will give you that questions answers, Nana. Once way 9 lakhs plus 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 3. It is the expanded form. Okay. So what is the shortcut? It has what is that? 9 lakhs. So I'm writing the lakhs starting letter. 9 lakhs plus 10,000 place 70 like that. Okay. Other than 5,000 writing here, Nana. Nine lakhs plus 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 210 plus 31. This is another way of the shortcut form. Okay? Okay, children? Not done. Now ask me here. Nihal, tell me the answer. Question. What do you have the doubt? Srimani, what is your doubt? Mrudula, mute your voice and tell me what is your doubt? Mrudula, 242385. That number, who's that name? Nana, which branch I don't know. You have your number is in the group. In that group, some numbers and the respective names given there. Please change your number. This one. Change the name. Srimani, Nihal, Lakshmi, Mrudula. What's your doubts, Nana? Srimani, did you have any doubt? Okay, now complete this one, Nana. We have to check this one. So no one not have any doubt. So many times I ask you, but you not respond. Class time also now over. Now I'm giving that whatever I explained here. Once again I'm giving the explanation. Here I gave 6-digit number. That means lakhs is the highest place. Akshay. Akshay, did you have any doubt? Akshay? Devi? Okay, this is the full information I gave here. One number and to here, that is the 6-digit number. About the 6-digit number, I gave the full information. Once I want to recall the information what I gave you. This is the 6-digit number. It has the 6 places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and lakh. So that the number is 9 lakh. The highest place onwards you have to read the number. 9,75,423. 9,75,423. Here I wrote the number name also like that the expanded form method. When you note this number name like this, then you get that this is place values also easily. That's the reason I separately wrote that. 9 lakhs, so 9 lakhs place. 75,000. So in 1,000 place 75 is there. That means 10 and 10,000 and 10,000 together we have to write that. And 400. 100 case is 4 and last two digits 23 and 23. So I gave the expanded form. That means I wrote that places the values also. Whenever in your examination, maybe in your textbook exercises or in examination, asking suppose we are given a 9,75,423, they ask what is the 4 place value. So 4 is in which place? 100 place. So the 4 place value is 400. Okay children, separately the place values also here. When you add all the place values, then you get the expanded form. The result is short form. It is called whatever the number is given there. That is the short form. This is called as a short form also. So, how I wrote the expanded form? I start the highest place onwards. 9 lakhs plus 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 3. So I gave you the place with the places. 9 in lakhs place, 9 lakhs. 7 10,000s. That means 70,000. 5,000, 5 in 1,000 place. 400, 4 in 100 place. 2 tens, 2 in tens place. 3 ones. That is the expanded form. Okay children? Now you have to copy this one, observe this one, take any number in your rough book. Suppose take any number. Okay, take any number and practice like this today. Tomorrow I will again explain this one only. Okay children, next class I will continue that. Now science madam will take the class. Okay children, 5 minutes I will give you time to copy that.
Good morning, children. How are you? You're fine or not? Are you fine? Very good. Last class, which topic I explained you? How many of you remember? Raise your hands. Last class, which top? Very good. Parts of the plant I told. In whole parts of the plant, what's the in the whole plant? Which part will prepare the food material? What I told? Leaf. Very good. I think everyone practiced what I told. Leaf is the correct answer. In the same way, how the animals will take the food. Do you know? You already learned in the before class, in third class. Animal feeding, how the animal will take the food. So there are three types. How the animals is based on the others. They are, what's the topic now? Animal feeding. Feeding habits of feeding. Feeding habits of all of you have to write down what I am writing. Everyone have to note down. If I saw anybody is not writing means they have to explain what the topic I discussed. They only have to explain. Naresh, you are not writing. Siddhi, you are writing or not? Very good. Keep the heading. What's the date today? Also, you have to note down. What's the date today? 27. Very good. So, now I will explain the topic feeding habits of animals. There are three types of animals. What are they? Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. This topic you already learned in the third class. Yes or no? You learned or not? Yes, you already learned. What are they? First one is herbivores. Herbivores. You have to write down herbivores. Second one is carnivores. 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 Third one is omnivores. Omnivores. Okay, children? Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. All of you understood what I wrote? Okay, children? All of you wrote these three? Over? Siddhi completed? Okay, children. Now I will show the definition and pictures. What are the examples are there? Now I will show you. On seeing that picture, on seeing that screen sharing the topic, you have to write down in your book. I will give you time, children. Okay? Okay, wait. I'm showing. Okay, children, see the picture. It is about herbivores. Yes or no? You can see that picture or not? Are you seeing? Mahida? Write down. Write down what you are saying. Herbivores means they eat only plants and plant material. Yes or no? They eat only plants and plant materials. Herbivores means it will eat only plants and plant material. Herbivores eat leaves. What they will eat? Leaves, fruits, or even tree bark. All of you understood, children?
Hello, ma'am. Hello, madam. Hello, madam.
Tell me, Nana.
Ma'am, what is this? A screen? Screen is a red or blue is coming, ma'am. Red or blue color is coming, madam.
Yes, Nana. Okay, children, what is meant by herbivores? Read with me. They eat only plants and plant materials. Herbivores may eat leaves, fruits. Okay, children, herbivores eat leaves, fruits, roots, or even tree bark. All of you understood? It means the animals which are in the herbivorous animals can eat only plants only. They can't eat flesh. Okay. Now, they usually need only, it means, for example, one example I will tell, cow, goat. Here, what are the examples you can see in the picture? Horse, rabbit, or rat, elephant. You are seeing the picture now? You're watching the picture or not? So these animals will eat only plants and plant materials only. They can't eat the flesh. All of you understood, children? They will eat only morning time only. They won't eat in the night time. Okay. So if you see this is about the herbivores. Now I will show the examples of the herbivores. What the animal? So first you have to think that what are the animals will eat only plants. Say some examples. Goat is one example. Okay. Another example, tell me. Goat, elephant. Another, you have any idea? Okay, children, now I will show another picture. They are the examples of herbivores means you can write down also. See this picture? These are the examples of herbivores. What are the examples here? What are they? Giraffe. Giraffe will eat only plants only. Is it eat any animals it will eat? No. It will eat only plants. Okay children? Bears. Panda bears also. It will eat only plants. Did you saw in the pictures? In any cartoons or in Discovery Channel? Did you saw? The giraffe, bear, sheep, rabbits, cows, horses, elephant, these all will eat only plants. It won't eat flesh. All of you understood, children? How many of you not understood? If you understood means raise your hands. Did you understand? Saranya, you have any doubt?
Ma'am, I cannot see that words, ma'am.
What?
I cannot see that words, ma'am.
Words. Giraffe. G-I. I will tell write down. G-I. Write down the examples. Giraffe. G-I. R-A. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Okay, children. Next example. Sheep. S-H-E-P. Sheep. Another example. Horse. H-O-R-S-E-S. Horse.
Next word.
Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, I will show another. Next one, what is the next one? After herbivores, what I told? Carnivores. What is meant by carnivores? Do you know, children? You already learned in the third class, no? What is meant by carnivores? Carnivores means the flesh-eating animals, we will call it as carnivores. Okay, children? It means once I will read this para, listen. No need of writing, children. Just listen. They eat only meat. It means it won't eat plants. It will eat only flesh. It means it will eat another animals only. It depend on other animals. They eat only meat. These animals are usually very large and they have to eat other animals in order to obtain energy. It means for getting the energy, what it will do? It will eat another animal's children. For example, lion is there. Lion will eat plants. Children, lion will eat plants. No, it won't eat plants. It will eat another animals. If lion is a big animal, no? So it will eat small animals. For what purpose it will eat the animals? For getting the energy. We are also eating the food. Yes or no? For what purpose we are eating the food? For getting the energy, children. So for the animals also will eat the food for getting the energy. For running, it want energy. Example, lion and tiger. These animals will run very fast. Yes or no? Did you saw the horse, lion, these tiger? Did you saw any time? Did you saw the tiger, lion? Yes, you so many times. Direct not. You can see in the cartoons, you can see. In Discovery Channel, you can see. Yes or no? If you observe the pictures or any videos means the lions will run fast. It will catch the small animals and it will eat. For what purpose it is eating? For getting the energy. Now some girls are eating some snacks. For what purpose you are eating? Varshini eating something. For what purpose she is eating? For getting the energy. Yes or no? Very good. In the same way, lion also want energy. That's why it is eating the another animal, small animals. Okay, children, for getting the energy only, the animals are eating the small animals. Some carnivores eat insects and birds. If you observe some of the animals, means some animals will eat small insects, but some animals will eat small animals. For example, rats, fishes. So big animals will be there. It will eat, for example, lion will be there, lion, tiger. These animals will eat, what it will eat? Buffaloes also it can eat. Okay, children, I will show the examples of the carnivores. Now, what is meant by carnivores, children? What is meant by carnivores? The animals which depend upon the flesh. Flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. Now I will show the examples of carnivores. Now what you have to remember in your brain? Plant-eating animals are herbivores. Flesh-eating animals are carnivores. Okay, children, example for carnivores is lion, tiger. Okay, children. Okay, last one is omnivores. What you are seeing in that picture? Monkey. Yes or no? Are you seeing the picture, monkey? Monkey. What is meant by omnivores means they can eat both plants and animals. It means it will eat plants, it will eat.
Madam,
What, Sharanya?
I cannot seeing carnivorous picture and omnivorous pictures, ma'am.
Pictures is not clear, huh? Okay, children. Okay, I will explain, children. From next class onwards, I will show you big pictures. Okay? So, here what is meant by omnivores? The animals which will eat both plants and animals. Okay. They can get their food more easily than other animals because they eat more both herbivorous food and carnivorous food, children. Now again I will explain in the blackboard. Then you can understood very clearly, children. Now I will show the picture of examples of omnivores. Human beings. Here are the examples for omnivores. We will eat plants or not? Tell me. We will eat plants. We will eat plants. No, leafy vegetables. For example, amaranthus. In Telugu, we will tell gongura. It is a plant only, no? Yes, totakura. It is also one plant. It means human beings will eat both plants and animals. It means we are eating the chicken, mutton. It is a one type, it is an animal. Yes or no? It means we are eating both plants and animals. So one example for omnivore is human beings. We are the one example for omnivores, children. Pigs also one example. Turtles. Okay, monkeys, bears. These all come under the examples of omnivores. Now I will explain in the blackboard from starting onwards, children. Afterwards, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, children. What are the three feeding habits of animals? Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Now tell me, herbivores means, what is meant by herbivores? Herbivores means plant-eating animals. What? Plant-eating animals. Herbivore. Write down. Now this one line. Write down, children. Herbivores means plant-eating animals. You can remember very easily. The small definition in short form I am giving. Herbivores means plant-eating animals. Okay, children. Write down the example here. What is the example here? Cow. Cow can eat only plants. It won't eat flesh. Yes or no? Yes. Write down the herbivores means plant-eating animals. Example, cow. Now, second one is carnivores. Carnivores means flesh-eating animal. Flesh-eating animals. Name some examples for flesh-eating animals. Example are lion. It means if you see the Discovery Channel means, then you can saw lion is running and it will catch small animals and it will eat. It means it will eat only flesh-eating animals. It will eat only animals only. It won't eat plants. Okay, children. Carnivores mean flesh-eating animals. Okay, children. Next one. Omnivores means both plant and flesh-eating animals. Okay, children? Okay, children. Omnivores means both plant and flesh-eating animals are called omnivores. It means, example, human beings. Human beings. Human beings, we are there. We will eat both plants and animals. Yes or no? Yes, very good. We will eat both plants and animals, children. So these are the feeding habits for animals. So all of you understand? Anybody have doubt? What, Sharanya? What?
Hello? Madam,
Tell me, Nana.
explain 1 second, ma'am.
Second one, carnivorous.
Yes.
Okay, children. Carnivores means flesh-eating animals. It will eat only animals only. It will eat. Okay, children. It won't eat plants. Example: lion,
Ma'am.
tiger. What?
We can write 3 options, ma'am.
Anything you can write. I am giving only one example. You can add, you can remember, and you can write the examples also for this. Okay, children?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children. Very good. Akshay, you have any doubt?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Nana. If you have any doubts, means you can ask. Just one small topic I told, what you already studied in the before class. Tomorrow again I will ask questions from this topic. Are you ready? Are you ready, children? Very good. It is very small topic. In short form, I am telling herbivores means plant-eating animals. Carnivores means flesh-eating animals. Omnivores means both plants and flesh-eating animals. All of you understood? All of you understood, children? Okay, tomorrow shall I ask questions from this topic? In your home, what you have to do means, once remember this topic, you have to think that what are the plant-eating animals are there. Just remember. Then you can get some idea, no? For example, what are the some another examples for plant-eating animals? Goat. Yes or no? Goat. Goat will eat only plants. Is it? It will eat flesh? No. Goat will eat only plants. So plant eating animals, another example is goat. Okay, children? So flesh eating animal, another example, tiger. Tiger is the another example. What is the another example for omnivores? Monkey or pig. Pig will eat both plants and animals. Monkeys also it will eat plants and animals, children. So, monkey. All of you understood? All of you understood, children? If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, children? All of you have to remember, all of you completed? Or anybody is writing? Who are writing? Raise your hands. Who are writing? Raise your hands. I think all completed. Completed, children? Okay, children. Tomorrow I will continue this topic.